Hi, this is Sheri Ann Richerson from experimentalhomesteader.com, and we're here today to talk about the Wolvol, Wolvol, press and crawl inchworm baby toy with light and music. The batteries are included in this. The head turns 360 degrees. This button here on the side of the inchworm's head plays music. The head lights up, which is really cute. So this is great for sensory development of your baby. It does encourage hand-eye coordination. As you can see, this can move, okay, back and forth like this. Okay, these rattle both sides. Okay, it will encourage thinking development and motor skills. So this is a great toy as far as I'm concerned. The wheels do move and roll both sides. Oh wow, okay. If you put this down, which I know you can't see, but if you put this down, it actually moves. So that's really cool. Had not noticed that. I love bright, vibrant colors of this toy. The pinks and blues and yellows and greens and reds, oranges, the music. Okay, the batteries are included. They are already pre-installed, but this is where you would put the batteries in if you needed to install new ones. And I do want to tell you, I did receive this product at a discount for my honest and unbiased review. Thanks for watching and have a great night.